Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the LIFX StripLight, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the LIFX StripLight and Wi-Fi controller and power adapter, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. First, clean the surface with the provided alcohol wipe. Then peel the backing from the light strip and stick the strip in the desired position, holding it firmly for 30 seconds to ensure proper adhesion. Next, connect the light strip to the power supply. To factory reset the device, press and hold the push button on the controller for 5 seconds. When extending your light strip, press and hold the push button on the controller for 1 second to detect the new strips. How to pair. Setting up your LIFX light is simple. First, power on your LIFX light and download the LIFX app. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your light. For Apple HomeKit, open the Home app, add a new accessory, and scan the HomeKit QR code to complete setup. Your LIFX light is now ready to use.
Smart features?
Control your LIFX light strip easily through the LIFX app. Adjust colors, brightness, and lighting effects directly from your smartphone for a personalized lighting experience. Connect your LIFX light strip with Apple HomeKit by scanning the QR code. Use the Apple Home app and Siri voice commands for convenient smart home control.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to get your LIFX StripLight. See you in the next one.